everyone. I hope you all are doing well, and I'm absolutely good also. In this video, I'm going to share with you one technique which is amazing. If you are English learners, don't forget to watch this video. First of all, I want to clear here, right in the beginning, you will be able to understand what I want to share here. I will give you 6 words and with them you have to make sentences. So, what I'm going to give you very easy words. Have you ever tried that with the thank you have to make sentences? No. That is only the reason you don't speak this language. So stop thinking so much. What you know, you have to start with them. Don't wait that when I will be able to know so many words and then at last I will be able to speak this language. No, it is not reality. What you know, start with them, because I have seen so many people who know so much about this language, vocabs, grammar and all, but they don't speak because they don't use. So start with them. Sorry, happy and thank you, being and all, and these are very easy words. Everybody knows. Yes, start with them. That is very important. If you wanna speak this language, you have to understand what you have to do. You don't understand. That is only the reason you know about this language so many things and you don't speak. So listen properly what I wanna say you here. And if you are able to make sentences by all 6 words, that means you are able to know about this language. You have to speak and actually you are able to know everything about this language. If you are not able to make sentences by by all 6 words, that means you are not able to speak this language. You are not able to know about this language. You have to work on yourself. So thank you. Thank you, everybody knows. As we know that, who don't know about thank you? Thank you, sorry, we all always use. But have you ever tried to make sentences by thank you? No, you did not try. That is only the reason you don't speak this language. So now it is your turn. You have to try. You have to make sentences by them. Like thank you. Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you so much. You have got a gift for me. Wow, I'm so happy to see it. Thank you so much once again to show me all around the place. Thank you so much once again for giving me this chance. So yes, you have to make sentences by thank you, sorry and all, everybody knows. So start with them. Don't wait that when I will be able to know so many things, then I have to make sentences. No, don't waste your time. What you know, you have to start with them. All I can say is that everybody can speak this language. Everybody who know about grammar properly and who don't know about grammar properly. But the thing is, who know, they can speak a very good way, and who don't know, they can speak a little bit. But everybody can speak this language once. So just don't waste your time. Start as of now and try to speak. Now, fond of. Fond of, everybody knows. So you have to make sentences with fond of. I am fond of speaking English. I am fond of going there. I am fond of black color. I am fond of car. It is very easy. You have to make sentences. Now we have to take what is called being. Okay, being a girl, I am able to understand what I have to do. Being a Bihari girl, I had to face so many difficulties. Being a father, he has to do so many things in his life. Being a mother, you will be able to understand what you have to do for your children. Yes, it is very easy things. Now I am going to make sentences by 3 words, present, past and future. Yes. So now you have to make sentences by happy. If you are able to make present, past and future, that means you know about this language. If you don't able to know about happy, present, past and future, that means you have to work on yourself. So I am happy to see you. I was happy in that party, but I did not understand how to answer. If I was not happy yesterday, it doesn't mean tomorrow I would be not happy. Definitely I will be happy tomorrow. Yes, so that's how I made sentences by happy, present, past and future. Now, next one would be able to. I am able to speak this language. I was not able to speak this language, but I would be able to speak this language. I was not able to understand how to speak, but now I got to know. I am able to understand how to do that work. I would be able to do that work a very good way. So now I made sentences by able to, present, past and future. Now my next word would be what. What, where, whenever, however, whatever, where, why, everybody use. But we don't try to make sentences by them. Yes, this is the way you can ask question also. So what was your day? What did you eat yesterday? What will you have tomorrow? Yes, it is very easy. Present, past and future. What is your name? Where do you live? Where did you live? Why did you not go there? That's how you have to make sentences. What, where, why. You have to use with them what you know. Don't wait that if I will know something, that's when I will be able to speak. No, it is not reality. What we know, simple things. With them we can speak this language. So then don't waste your time. Try to speak more than enough and try to speak again and again so that you could speak this language. Thank you so much for listening me, and I hope this video will help you. If you wanna speak this language, don't waste your time, because nowadays I'm trying to speak this language. That is only the reason I'm able to understand everything. Yes, I am also greenhorn for this language, but the thing is I got to know what I have to do. Yes, that is only the reason I'm trying to make English videos. And if I am trying, why can't you? Yes, I was not very good student when I was studying, and nowadays I'm trying. When I learned this language, I did not understand how to speak, but now I got to know. That is only the reason I wanna share with you everything. If you are going to watch my every videos, it is 100% sure you will be able to speak this language. If I can, why can't you? Because I don't wanna be 100%. What I know, I wanna speak first of all. And yes, this is only the way we can speak this language. You have to pretend yourself that you are supremely confident. It is very important. So use that's how very simple words, and try to make sentences with them and try to speak. That is amazing way you can speak this language. Don't waste your time. Don't think so much. It is only language. Try to speak more and more, and that's how anyone can speak this language. I hope this video will help you. If you wanna speak, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button also. Definitely I wanna say you, if you are famished to learn this language, join my channel. You will be able to speak. If I can, why can't you? Again and again I wanna say you, because I am not able to understand about this language so much, and I am trying to speak. So yes, it is my words you can speak. If you will watch my whole videos again and again, what I am trying to implement on myself, that's what I wanna share with you. Yes, and that is only the way we can speak this language. I don't wanna be 100%. I don't think so much about this language. Just I am trying right now, and I know I am beginner. So if you are beginners, if you wanna speak this language, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It will really help you if you are really eager to speak this language. And you can practice with me also. If you wanna do practice with me, definitely drop your message so that we can talk each other and we can learn so many things each other. Thank you so much for listening me. Bye bye. Take care.